Hi YouTube, my name is Jay Brown. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing for you guys. I think you can tell by the size of this package here what it is probably, but this is from the recent Coach Signature Jacquard collection in the candy color or the candy colorway. I'm not entirely sure of the actual name of this, but I was not expecting Coach to drop this so soon. I kept hearing rumors about it, so I just wanted to wait to open it and share this with y'all. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, you guys. This is the Coach Swinger 20. This is, like I said, from the Coach Rainbow Multi. They're calling it the candy collection, but this is the Rainbow Multi Jacquard print, and I don't know why mine wasn't sealed up correctly, taking it out of the package. But you know what? I am convinced that everything that I've been seeing online is not actually doing these pieces justice. And again, this is my first impression. I don't like how right here this C is kind of cut off from that seam. I don't like that at all, but it's like that on both sides, where I guess they can't just take it all the way up to the seam, but that just looks a little sloppy and weird to me. I do like that this one has a bit lighter color leather than the previous one, the original, and it has gold hardware instead of the silver. So let's just go ahead and take the wrapping off of this. I really don't like how that's floating there, but that's me being nitpicky, you guys. The blue one is like that too on this side. That's just me being nitpicky. I don't know, would you guys return it or send it back for that reason? Okay, so I got all of the wrapping off, and this is gorgeous, you guys. I absolutely love this piece. I don't think, like I said, I don't think the camera is doing it justice. I don't think it's really capturing the color saturation. I think the camera is kind of washing it out, so you really can't see. It's not like these are super vibrant, but they are a beautiful pastel. And then here's a look at the hang tags. So it has, here's a look at the hang tags. So it has the regular Coach hang tag on both sides. And then this one says the Swinger 20 limited re-edition. And then it also comes with this really cute leather heart charm. I love that. I love it. So very pretty. And then I also picked up two more pieces, you guys. Let me see. I picked up two charms. So of course I had to get the candy charm. Now I don't know if I will necessarily use this with this piece, but we'll see. I'm over here fighting with this wrapping. Y'all know Coach wraps everything up tighter than Fort Knox sometimes. Sheesh, I'm getting tissue and styrofoam everywhere. But let's get this completely unwrapped. So this is pretty. This is the Coach candy charm. Here's how it looks if it were hanging. Let me get that tag out the way. This is the Coach candy charm. So cute. I love that, and it has some weight to it. I mean, you know, Coach is charging enough for these charms, so I'm glad that they do at the very least give us our money's worth. Because yeah, Lord knows they charge enough. So here it is with the charm on, and I hope this is coming up well on camera, but here it is with the charm on. And like I said, I don't like it when my charms hang longer than the bag, so I don't know if I would necessarily use these two together, but I do think that's really pretty together. So here you can see the colors of the charm and the colors of the bag pretty well together. I think that is gorgeous. I think Coach did a great job with this. I'm going to take a look and compare the top of my other swingers to see if the signature just kind of cuts off like that. Maybe it's just something that's more visible because the print is colored instead of a neutral. Did pick up one more charm, and this one I've had my eye on for a while and I just hadn't added it to my collection. This is the bow charm from Coach. This is really well made. I didn't realize that it had rhinestones visible on both sides. Beautiful piece. And I wanted this one because at some point this year I realized that I don't have enough silver charms. So as you can see, rhinestones on both sides, really well done. Always, of course, has a little Coach hang tag on the charms, but this is gorgeous. Definitely wanted to add this to my collection for the various silver hardware bags that I have now, and I think it'll go great with a lot of pieces in my collection. Was looking forward to getting a coordinating SLG for this piece, and I noticed that Coach did not drop any crystal jacquard SLGs at all. So I'm really surprised by that, and I really expected it. Hopefully in 2026 Coach will release some jacquard SLGs in this rainbow crystal print. That is so pretty. I'm loving this charm. Let's take a look at that again, y'all. This charm is gorgeous. I feel like the colors show up even better on the charm than they do on the actual bag. What do you guys think? Really pretty. And so while we're here and we're looking at all of them, I also brought down my other Swinger 20s in the jacquard, crystal jacquard print, and I wanted to just make sure that I showed you guys a comparison of these two shades of brown. They're pretty close, but as you can see, this is the original and this is the rainbow jacquard. So the rainbow jacquard, the leather is a bit lighter and has less of a red undertone. It's closer to honey brown than this saddle color. I believe this is a saddle color. But here, those are together, and then just looking at it, yeah, it does cut off on this one too. The rhinestones, as it gets close to the seam, it does just cut off. So I guess I just never noticed it before. So if anybody finds that there's has that, it is how this bag is made, and not for me is not a reason to return it. And so here is the original crystal jacquard, and then here is my black one. So just in case anyone was wondering, the color comparison, how they look together, here are all three. I definitely would use this charm on either of the silver hardware swingers. I think that is gorgeous. So here, this one is with the bow charm. Super cute. I love that. I love it. I can't wait to take it out. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of frame, y'all. But I think that is really cute on there. And I'm glad that I added the rainbow jacquard swinger to my collection. I was, you know, first I was like, okay, you're doing too much, but I really do believe that these, depending on, you know, your love for Coach and how you like to curate your collection, these are definitely collector's pieces. And do not miss out on this candy charm. This is gorgeous, and I'm just really convinced that the camera is not doing these pieces justice. So if you're interested and seeing a few other unboxings of these, I did watch my friend Liz this morning, and I thoroughly enjoyed her unboxing of the crystal jacquard in the rainbow colorway. I enjoyed her unboxing, but this is so pretty. It is so gorgeous, and I really just don't think that my lighting is capturing it. I turned off my ring light, and I think this might be giving you guys a better view of the color. It's more washed out on camera than it is in person. That's all I can say. These are gorgeous pieces. So yeah, so I think that Coach really missed out an opportunity to give us SLGs. So here is my zip around card case in the black crystal jacquard, and I love that as well. Definitely will be using that with other pieces. And then here is the original signature crystal jacquard for my very first one. So this was the first set I got, and then I picked this black set up in November, and then this one is the newest addition to my collection. So again, I'm hoping that Coach comes back at some point, because an all pink or all purple rhinestone card case would be, or crystal card case would be so pretty. I think Coach missed an opportunity here, but I feel like they'll circle back. They'll spin the block on us and give us a card case. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and let me know what you think. Is this a collection that you're gonna pick up, or is it a pass? I love them all. These are definitely pieces that will be staying in my collection, and I'm super glad that I added them. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube.